साउथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सुपरस्टार होने के बावजूद भी इलियाना डिक्रूज ने बॉलीवुड में ब्रेक पाने के लिए 6 साल इंतजार किया है। इस दौरान उन्होंने बहुत सारी फिल्में रिजेक्ट की हैं, फॉर विच वी आर नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट, बट विल टॉक अबाउट बर्फी, जो कि इलियाना ने साइन किया है। इलियाना, सबसे पहले वेलकम टू यू।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here.
वी आर ग्लैड टू हैव यू हियर। इतने 6 साल आपने इंतजार किया है फॉर बॉलीवुड टू गेट यू नो टू do a film in Bollywood, and what a break. I mean, बर्फी, क्या कितनी तारीफ मिल रही है आपको?
Oh my God, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable because this is a role that I've never really done before. I mean, dressing up in a complete Bengali look, you know, with the Bengali sari and the sindoor and the bindi and all of that. I mean, carrying off a look like that was a big challenge for me anyway. And I think the biggest compliment is having actual Bengali women coming up to me and telling me that they love me in that Bengali look. So I think it's been lovely. I think all that hard work has paid off. I owe everything to Dada, honestly, Anurag, because he's guided me along the way, and I'm very happy with him.
यानी आपको बताना है आपके रोल के बारे में, because I think आपके रोल में 2 different shift आने वाला है. You know, there's one part where she's in love with Ranbir and the chirpiness and the romantic part, and the other part, you know, where जिस लड़के से वो इतना प्यार करती है and you're married to someone else and you see that guy with other girls. So how would you describe your character? किस तरीके से?
We've not revealed much of the story.
No, what we have guessed through.
You have guessed, and I love the intrigue that everybody's got. I'm not going to tell anybody what the story is all about, but what I can say is that Barfi captures this eternal, timeless love story. It captures the amount of love that Shruti has for Barfi, you know, and that shows across in all these songs. You know, Main Kya Karu, as well as you know, Phir Le Aaya Dil. So I think it captures a little bit of everything, and I think it's nice that the audience is left guessing, so they don't really know what's happening. They like that little twist, they like that sequence. A lot of people have told me they love the sequence where I come in and I'm introduced to Chilmil.
मैं फिल्म की मेकिंग देख रही थी जिसमें कि यू नो जो पुचका सीन है, जो कि आप रणबीर के साथ पुचका खा रही है, रणबीर ने आपके साथ मस्ती की थी, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिर्च डाल देते थे, and you don't like मिर्च. She stops apparently.
You know, I do, but then you know when you're shooting, you can't have something with mirchi. Yeah? I mean, it's difficult to actually come back with emotions when you've got tears in your eyes and stuff like that. So yeah, he's known to do that. Yeah. But it was fun, you know. I think it's these little antics that he does that just makes the whole set and makes the whole atmosphere a little more lighthearted. And we've always had so much fun on sets. It's always been very easygoing, you know.
आई थिंक हमेशा जब 2 हीरोइन साथ में आती है नो, आता है खबरें आती है कि कैट फाइट है, बट नहीं आया है. इलियाना एंड प्रियंका के बीच की ऐसी कोई न्यूज़ नहीं आई है. सो इट वाज वेरी हैप्पी एंड फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर.
Yeah,
और किसी अपने काम से मतलब.
Yeah, you know, the thing is, we all have such intense roles. We all have such different kind of challenges with our roles. So I guess we were so engrossed, you know, working on our own kind of characters every time we were on set. But there was no kind of, you know, there was no uncomfortable vibe or anything of that sort. We were very comfortable with each other. Priyanka was very casual. I mean, the first day she came over to my van, we were sitting and chatting for at least half an hour. So we got along pretty much from the first day itself. And there wasn't any kind of awkwardness, you know.
इनफैक्ट मैं ऑडियंस को बताना चाहूँगी कि इलियाना ने तेलुगु का वांटेड वर्जन किया था. तेलुगु का वांटेड वर्जन किया था, और वांटेड जो हिंदी फिल्म में बनी थी वो इलियाना को ऑफर भी किया गया था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ डेट रीजन यू कुडंट डू इट.
It was because of dates, and it was about I don't know, about 3 or 4 years ago that this happened. And I keep thinking about it, you know, I keep thinking when people ask me, like, you know, do you regret not working? I was like, you know, who would want to actually pass up an offer with Salman? Honestly, it doesn't make sense. And the film was lovely. It was my second film. But now that I think about it, you know, I think with me, I've matured as an actor, matured as a person. I understand my profession so much more. So maybe I think everything happens for a reason. And I suppose Barfi came in at the right time, and this was probably the better launch for me.
Wanted, I think, was Bollywood's first 100 crore film, which started that trend. So probably
it was amazing. I was honestly very surprised that it did so well. But I mean, then again, you know, Salman was Salman in the film.
A humble girl, an intelligent girl, a girl who loves to dress up, a girl who loves to read. तो I think ये बहुत ही ऐसा combination बहुत कम मिलने मिलता है. इलियाना, we would like to welcome you to Bollywood and thank you so much for talking to us, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. That's extremely nice of you.
Hi, this is Megha. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7. Just visit www.twitter.com/ZoomTV.